Okay, this is video part 3 of the 2021 Honda CBR Fireblade RR-R. And we have to talk to the guys, see what kind of mods you do. Hey, dude, sir, what kind of mods did you do to the bike now?
Since last time, we've got the sprint filter on there. We've got titanium exhaust, full exhaust.
Full exhaust. Got
and
rid
an
of cat?
Updated tune. Yeah, no cat.
Cool.
Updated tune. We'll see, bro. Hopefully,
What kind of exhaust did you get?
That's a Akrapovic full titanium. Yeah, Evo exhaust.
Nice.
Yeah, let's see what happens, man. I'm hoping.
Did you reflash it with the new exhaust?
Reflash? Yeah, and the filter. So
cool.
I want to see what happens. I'm hoping for 195, maybe.
You know, you might get lucky and hit that 200 mark.
No, probably not. I wish. That would be nice. We'll see.
It's looking good, man. It's still nice and clean.
What was the highest number?
188.
188.
What do you think?
That's exactly what I told you.
Whatever. I'll take it.
Yeah, what do you think? Yours? Did you rent it already? Next Thursday.